TV. Today we're gonna do a treasure hunt in the snow. See, I can't even tell where it is. And this is my snowman. And this is Ola. Now let's begin. Let's start digging now. And now I find one.
What is it?
It's a Ninja Turtles blind bag. I got Thomas Minis. A Spider-Man tops. And we got Shopkins Season 3. We got another Ninja Turtle. This is all I found in my snow. So we got Thomas Minis, Shopkins Season 3, a Spider-Man tops, and 2 Ninja Turtles. And we're gonna open the Ninja Turtles. We got Ninja Turtles and Luffy are buried in the snow.
Ninja Turtle Snow. It's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Snow Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Series 1 by Mega Blocks. This is all you could get. I'm hoping for Leonardo.
What did you get?
A foot soldier. And I got secret wear. No, that's the only secret wear. I'm gonna build it now. There's 2 corners, so we're gonna open this one inside. See, this is what I got for the other one. And this is the other Ninja Turtle going. Now I'm gonna open this one. But I got ultra rare. Now let's build this. I built this one and I think this is sweater. And it has a transparent body. And this is the last one to open. It's Shopkins Season 3! So this is the first one. I'm gonna open it. And we got toasty bread. It's a common. We got. And it is Vicky Vac. And it's a common. So this is all I got for today's blind bag. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Oh no, don't